I read this quote a few months before I got the idea and pitched my students to build a gamified experience for the classroom. And this kind of sums up how some of the students and I work in the classroom. I'm the lead learner, not the teacher. We work together to grow. And when I wrote about this, other teachers contacted me and said, hey, can we try this out too? Now, this is back in 2011. And yes, I shared our work for the last 10 years and gave it away for free. So what's up with this free trial, demo and builder mode, and why does it cost money to use it? The free plugin required users to have a domain, a landing pad on the web to plant your flag. And it also required you to get a host, someone to deliver your content over the internet, via these gateways. And then you had to, after getting those, which both cost money, you had to install WordPress and install the plugin and configure things and update things and backup. It was a technical hurdle which prevented about 95% of interested teachers from following through. And the free way, that way, where the technical savvy people wound up installing everything and maintaining it and going on, well, there are premium plugins, resources, and other little gadgets that we pay for every month that we subscribe to, which makes this run so much more smoothly on the internet. So why are we charging? So it'll work better for you. You would end up paying. Well, some people use the inexpensive route and pay for it with headaches. I mean, what's your time worth, really? And we're providing more bang for the buck than you can get individually. So that's why we're doing it. The long-term goal is not to make money, it's to change the way education's delivered, to make it more fun and engaging, to free the classroom from the tyranny of everyone moving at the same speed. And I know that's going to frighten some of you off. That's the first thing this is going to do to your classroom. And we'll talk much more about that. But you got to understand, everyone, virtually every single person, asks the same question once they implement this. And that question is, how do you stay ahead of your kids? I got kids that are just eating through my curriculum. Isn't that a great problem to have? Like I said, we'll talk much more about this. But you can build for free as long as you want. You can have 10 users to test with your peers, to maybe a couple kids to see what's going on. I don't know, maybe you're a homeschool parent. You can use this for free. Great. If it makes learning more fun for your kids, fabulous. And then when you want to try it, you flip a switch and you get 60 days to try it for free in your classroom with all your students, pound on it, see how amazing it is. And then, well, I don't want to pay for this. And that's okay. If you don't want to, that's fine. But we don't throw your work away. You can move into builder mode where you can continue to craft content, but all gameplay is everything that worked in demo mode no longer works. You don't have any users. It just allows you to continue to build possibly for the next year. Maybe you say, I'm not ready now. I want to refine this more and then come back to it. We wanted to provide a way for teachers to not lose their place, not lose the work that they've crafted. We want to work with you. This is what we want. We want to collaborate. We want to be united and work collectively. Doesn't that sound cool?